Hi everyone, Heather here. I am back with another tutorial, and for this one I'm just going to show you how you can upload actions into your Photoshop. So the first thing that I'm going to do, if I don't have the little plus button here, or the play button for your action palette, to find that you want to go to Window and down to Actions, or you can hit Alt F9. And that will bring up your actions palette on the side here. Then what you want to do is you hit these 3 or 4 lines in the corner, scroll down to Load Actions, and you're going to want to find your actions, and then you hit Load. And there you go. You've got your your new actions uploaded into your Photoshop, ready to use. Another quick way to upload your actions is you just open your actions palette, and then you find your folder that you're going to have your downloaded actions in, and you can just easily drag and drop them into your actions palette. Another way to have them in your actions palette ready to use. You know, it's been a quick tutorial, but I hope it was helpful for you if you're having any troubles learning about actions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want more photography tips and Photoshop tips, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next video on Fridays. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.